Time now for section 1 of the competition, where both teams will be asked questions alternately with 10 seconds to answer and 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss and St. John the Baptist Prep 1, they decided to have Buff Bay Primary play first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so we'll have 4 minutes on the Guardian Achiever clock. Teams, all the best. Buff Bay Primary, we begin with you in Bible knowledge. Which disciple of Jesus was called the Beloved?
Peter.
That's incorrect. It was John. St. John the Baptist, Bible knowledge. How many baskets of food were left over after Jesus fed a multitude of 4,000 people?
7.
That's correct. Buff Bay Science, complete this statement correctly by filling in the missing word. Blank is the name given to the force that always acts against motion.
Friction.
That's correct. St. John the Baptist Science, when something is not moving, what does this mean about the opposing forces on it?
They are equal.
That's right, or balanced. Buff Bay Local Affairs team, it's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
The Honorable Delroy Chuck.
Minister of Justice. That's correct. St. John the Baptist Local Affairs visual question for you. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Roundyard Spencer.
Spencer.
That's incorrect. It's the Honorable Desmond Mackenzie, Minister of Local Government. Television, it's a visual question for you now, Buff Bay Primary. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Delia Harris.
That's correct. St. John the Baptist Television, another visual. Look at the monitor and identify the actor.
Simone.
Clark Cooper.
Say again?
Clark Cooper.
That is correct. English language for you now, Buff Bay. Spell incredible.
INCREDIBLE.
That's right. St. John the Baptist, English language for you. Spell syringe.
Anton. SYRINGE.
That's correct. Buff Bay general knowledge. On which continent is the capital city Addis Ababa located?
Asia.
That's incorrect. It's Africa. St. John the Baptist general knowledge. On which continent is the capital city Mumbai located?
Asia.
That is correct. Buff Bay social studies. What's the official title given to the elected person who heads a parish council in Jamaica?
Mayor.
That is correct. St. John the Baptist social studies. After which national hero is the building where Jamaica's parliament meets named?
George William Gordon.
That's right. Buff Bay music for you. The single How Far I'll Go was the soundtrack of which animated movie?
Moana.
That is correct. St. John the Baptist music. The single Let It Go was featured in which animated movie?
Frozen.
That's correct. Buff Bay mathematics. What is 1, 5, 5, 1, 9? Rounded to the nearest 10,000.
20,000.
That is correct. St. John the Baptist mathematics. What is 5, 7, 7, 7, 0? Rounded to the nearest 100,000.
100,000.
100,000.
That is correct. And that bell signifies the end of section 1, with the scores being St. John the Baptist on is at 8 points and Buff Bay Primary on 7 points. Now, before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip for our beautiful children from Guardian Achiever. And the tip is start the new school year with a positive attitude. Although the pandemic may have resulted in online classes, again, stay focused and work hard. Stay with us. This match in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021 continues after these messages.